Yo, you got the juice now, man.
What's up guys, PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And I just picked up a few accessories for my phone at Best Buy, so I figured what better time is it to share it with you guys. I also just got my computer back from CyberPower, and it looks beautiful sitting right there. So I'm super excited to get back shooting videos, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you smack that like button and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Because I'm going to be pumping out videos like crazy this week, and next week, and the week after that. So I would stay tuned if I was you. So, now that we're done with that, I've got this wireless fast charger, and I've also got the U-Flex headphones. If you're here at this video right now, we're going to be unboxing the Samsung U-Flex headphones. Now, these aren't the first pair of Samsung headphones that I've purchased. If you've been following my channel, you'll know that I've already purchased the Level U Samsung headphones. And now, these are nice headphones. I do like these headphones. The one problem I have with these headphones are let me restate that. Not one problem. There's never just one problem with me. There's always just a few things. But number one problem is the earbuds just dangle there. And let me state that these do not fix that problem. But earbuds just dangle there. They swing around. But they do at least have a magnet to stop them from swinging all crazy. You know, like something. You guys know what I mean. Stop them from swinging like balls. But these stop them from doing that. So, the other problem is this. Because they're so stiff, this happens. On a daily basis, I'm constantly adjusting these. They just slide all over the place. So I go to hit the button, and they're all the way over here. This doesn't sound like that big of a deal, but let me tell you, when you're trying to wear headphones and you're trying to work, it's just an aggravation. So, when I went into the store and I saw they had these U-Flex headphones, I said, hey, this might solve the problem I'm having. When I go to hit the button, I want the button to be there. And it's not. Unfortunately, it's around my neck this way. I actually hit the left side sometimes when I go to hit this button. So, these headphones aim to fix that problem. So as you can see on the back of the box here, they bend 100 degrees. And they bend for comfort, and they bend for storage. They have a flexible neckband design, dual speaker design, improved Bluetooth connectivity by using a scalable codec, splash-resistant coating, active key voice listening that you can connect with Bixby or another application that you use frequently, Level App compatibility, that's the Samsung application where you can adjust the sound to your liking. Battery life is up to 9 hours talk time, 10 hours play time, and 250 hours standby. So for some reason it has less talk time than it does playing music. That makes zero sense to me, but okay. Flex headphones, ear tips, USB cable, and quick start guide. The cool thing about these headphones is they have a dual speaker design, so each one of these little earbuds is going to have 2 speakers in them, so they might be louder than normal earbuds. And I do like the idea of getting loud headphones. That way I can drown out the outside world. Now these aren't noise canceling headphones, but they will be a little louder than most headphones, which is cool. These were $70. I had the young man at Best Buy price match these on Amazon for $55. He was very kind to do that. Thank you, sir. You got the improved Bluetooth connectivity, I already said that, and the flexible neckband. And that's about all you're getting for $70, which is not terrible. And the waterproof material that they're using. And then you've got a bulge here. You've got a bulge at the end of the neckbands here. And I do believe that is where the battery is. Strange design choice by Samsung, but I do believe it'll hold the neckband down. And this issue that I'm having with the sliding, the ability that these headphones have to flex, and the counterweight at the bottom of the neck, I do believe that these headphones will not give me the same issues that these have. So why am I still talking, guys? Because I need to jump down and unbox these bad boys. What do you think? Okay, guys, so it opens up just like a book. And what we're going to do is we're going to open them up right here. And as you can see, we have some more information here. And we do have the big, giant things around the earbuds here. And we have some information on how to use it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these out and have a look at them. These are some good looking headphones. You can tell off the bat there. So, okay, so we've got this bad Larry right here. This should slide right off. I saw another tech reviewer having some trouble taking these off. I don't know what the deal with that was, but shout out to you. Okay, so now these aren't bad looking headphones, so let me take the old ones off and I will put them here, get a good look at those, and I'll put these on. And now they flex around the ear, and they still do have the magnet, so I'll come up and I'll show you what they look like around my head. So you see how they curve around? So I think the moving will be a lot less with these guys. Although the cord is quite long now. Now that they curve in, the cord goes all the way down, almost to my belly button. Now that could be a problem. So the earbud design is almost the same. It's a little bit sleeker. They're a little bit sleeker around the bottom there. A little bit sleeker around the bottom there than the old ones were. Yeah, I don't know, they feel a little bit like they might fall out. They don't feel as big as these ones did. But they are similar inside. We'll have to see. I'll have to change the earbud to the little bigger one so they fit a little bit. So I will show you up close, and then I'll show you what else comes in the box. It feels really heavy. Oh wow. It's coming right apart at the box. And then you've got this little black box in here, which comes with a white cable for some reason, and only 4 little buds, and some instructions, and that's it. Okay? So, now I will give you guys a shot of the 2 earbuds side by side. So as you can see, they're both good looking headphones. And this is the play button on these headphones, and then you have that multi-function button that I was speaking about. And I do like the all black design there, and the silver accents. It looks very nice. And then you have your volume up button and volume down button. You've got your on and off button right there, and your Bluetooth connect. If you want a Bluetooth connect, you hold it up there and it will go into pairing mode. Okay, overall very nice design on these headphones. I really do like it. I do not see, I guess if you hold the volume one, it'll change the track for you. And then these were the old headphones. Not as nice of a design. And they do spin around on your head on you, like I was telling you. I'm pretty excited to try these ones out. And I will see you guys back up top. Okay guys, I've got the headphones around my neck now. And my only comment about these guys is the earbuds are a little long. And to be honest, they feel a little bit thinner than these ones. Yes, they are. The thickness of the cable for the new headphones are actually not as thick as the old ones. So that was actually one of my positive things about these Samsung headphones were the wires are very thick. When you see a lot of the LG headphones, they have problems with the earbuds. The earbuds go dead very soon on the LG headsets, and that was not happening with these Samsung ones. That's why I bought another pair, because I was enjoying them so much. I'm really hoping that this same issue does not happen with these Samsung ones. So it's a good thing I got these so I can test these. And if I do have any problems with these, I will surely let you guys know. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really excited to be making videos more than once a week now that I've got my computer. So if you're not subscribed, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. I would be so grateful if you would subscribe to my channel. That would make me so happy. And once again, guys, thanks for watching. You can follow me at PizzlesTechTime on all social media, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And I also have some new channels popping up on YouTube. I don't have any content for them yet, but they're going to be a gaming channel, a vlogging channel, and another channel. So it's going to be Pizzles Game Time, Pizzles Slot Time, and Pizzles Vlog Time. So I'm super excited for those. So I'm not going to tell you guys to go run off and subscribe to those. You stick around right here and just hit that subscribe button. Once again, guys, thanks so much for watching. And remember, I'm here for you guys. If you have any questions, just don't hesitate to ask. And I'll talk to you later.